Fight.
Hey y'all, so I am starting my day off with this berry smoothie. I'm not measuring anything out. I'm just using these frozen berries that I got from Walmart. I used peanut butter, chia seeds, oats, coconut milk from out of a can, agave, and a little bit of water, you know, just to like loosen the smoothie up so it won't be too thick. But y'all, it was so good. Oh, my oil thing just fell and broke. Hey y'all, so I'm in the kitchen as y'all can see in the background. But my oil thing just broke, like I just showed y'all in the video. But I was in the middle of making a baked potato, and I had the thing on the countertop and my elbow hit it when I was trying to turn around to do something. And my elbow hit it and knocked it off the freaking countertop. Yes, baby. So, well, where was I? My son kind of like distracted me. But yeah, I was in the I cannot talk. But I think I told y'all how the bottle got knocked over. But yeah, y'all, I was in the middle. I cannot talk. But I made a baked potato inside the microwave. The microwave just went off, so I'm about to get that. I'm about to dress it up. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. I haven't been doing nothing. I'm in the middle of washing clothes, so if you hear like a little loud noise in the background, that's my washing machine. But yeah, I'm just in the middle of washing clothes, and I'm about to eat my baked potato. I already cleaned up the mess. I just need to clean that area again because, you know, oil is like kind of hard to get up. So yeah, that's how my day is going so far. All right, y'all, update. So I just finished cleaning up the oil off the floor. My husband found some ways you can get like vegetable oil from off the floor, and luckily we had cornstarch in the house. So if you have cornstarch in the house, you can definitely use that to absorb the oil. But first you gotta like wipe it up, especially like if it's a lot, and then like pour the cornstarch over it so it could absorb like the rest that's on the floor or whatever. So the floor won't be slippery and whatever, and then you just mop over that area and it's good as new. Hey y'all, so it is like 3 o'clock and I just finished doing a little bit of dishes that couldn't fit inside the dishwasher, and then I put my second load of laundry in. Y'all, am I the only one who don't like doing laundry? Like, I'm trying to get into the habit of putting my clothes away after I take my clothes out the dryer, because usually like I just like to just let it sit in the dryer. Coming down below if you're the same way, because I just do not like doing laundry. I don't like doing dishes. Which one is worse though? Laundry or dishes? Let me know in the comments down below. Oh, excuse me. But y'all, I'm trying to think about like what I'm gonna make for dinner tonight, because I took some ground beef out, but I don't want to make spaghetti. So yeah, I'm in a bit of a pickle because I don't know what I'm gonna make for dinner. I guess I'll figure it out. I'm gonna go on Pinterest and look for some ground beef recipes. If y'all know any other ground beef recipes, let me know in the comments down below. I know it'll be like, I don't know how many days it will be since I made this dinner and y'all will see this video, but still, comment down below some ground beef recipes that I can make, because the only thing I can think of is Salisbury steak, meatloaf, and spaghetti, tacos. That's just about it, but I don't want none of that. So y'all give me some new ideas in the comment section down below. Where is the good lighting? Nowhere in my kitchen, I'll tell you that. Go stand in front of the window. That's a little better, right? I guess. But anyways, y'all's not y'all's. Anyways, your girl is back on the cam. It is like 5 o'clock. I'm gonna make dinner a little early today because like your girl is hungry. And I found this recipe on Pinterest. It's a cheesy ground beef and rice casserole. So unfortunately, I will not be able to record it because I need to use my phone to follow the recipe. But I will leave, you know, a video of what it looks like after, and I gotta remind myself to leave the recipe in the description box. So if anybody wants to try the recipe, check the description box for that recipe. What else? Yeah, so I'm gonna get started. I have not been able to talk today, but I'm gonna start on cooking right now, and I'll be back.